Hello everyone, welcome to Power Platform with Muse. Today's video is part 1 of my complete tutorial on PowerApp's model-driven app. In this series, we will cover all the steps involved in creating a model-driven app. As we have already covered the basics of Power Platform and how to create a free PowerApps account in previous videos, today we'll just focus on creating our first ever model-driven app. If you are not familiar with a model-driven app, please watch my other videos as I have explained it there in details. So the first thing that you want to do is go to make.powerapps.com. And within this browser here, there's two different ways that you can create a model-driven app. One is to click here on apps, click on new app, start with page design. And here you can click on blank page with navigation. And here you can provide the name of the app. As you can see, it says new model-driven app. So you can provide the name of the app and the description, which is basically what it does. However, this is not always the best way to create a model-driven app. The best practice is to create it from within the solution. So I'll show you how to do it from within the solution. And that is to click on solutions. The solutions that we're working with is expense management. So I'll click in there. And once you're within the solution, you click on new, go on app, and then click on model-driven app. That'll take you to the same designer. I will call mine, well, this is an expense management, so I'll call mine expense management app. And the description is, you don't have to, but I'll just say, this app manages expenses. And then you can just click on create. And as you can see, it is loading. Yeah, and that's the model-driven app. So at the moment, it is blank. There's nothing in there. There are no tables or anything in that application. What we will do in the next video is customize the model-driven app we have just created to start including tables and all of the things that you will need for a functional model-driven app. So if I go back now, if I go back to my solution, you will see two different things. Let me just refreshing, but it will have created an expense management app. So this is the app, the model-driven app, and it will create another one, which is the sitemap. In a model-driven app, be it in Dynamics 365 or Power Platform, the sitemap is essentially the navigation structure that defines how users move through the app. So you can think of it like a blueprint or a table of contents for your app. So if you have different tables, let's say contacts, customers, accounts, and so on, your sitemap will allow you to navigate through this content in your app. I will show you how to customize that in the next video where we customize our model-driven app. But what I can show you is if you go inside there, if you just click here and say edit, this is what the sitemap designer looks like. So you have groups, you have sub area, and then you have areas as well. That's the components in there, and you also have properties as well. I will show you what these things do in the next video where we customize our model-driven app. But yeah, so what we have done today is we have created our model-driven app, expense model-driven app, and in the next video we will be customizing it. See you in the next video.